Guys, so I hope you all are doing well. So let's crack this problem, okay, and solve it. So what we can see is that we have to prove 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z, okay, is equal to 0 provided they have given these values equated together, right? So let's get started. So let's have 2 to the power x equals to 3 to the power y equals to 6 to the power minus z equals to k. All of them will be equal to k. Now why are we doing this? I will explain you. So since 2 to the power x is equal to k, it means that 2 will be equal to k to the power 1 by x. So this is our equation 1. Similarly, we have 3 to the power y is equal to k. Therefore 3 is equal to k to the power 1 by y. This is my equation 2. Got it? What about the last one? Of course, we do the same thing to that too. So we have this equals to k, which means 6 is equal to 1 by z minus. Alright? This is my equation 3. Multiplying equation 1 and equation 2. This is my equation 1 and this is my equation 2. If we multiply on LHS, that is left hand side, we get 2 into 3, and right hand side we have k to the power 1 by x multiplied by k to the power 1 by y, which means we'll get 6 over here and here, because the bases are same, so we add up the powers or the exponents, or you can call this a rational exponent because it has a numerator and a denominator. Alright guys, so but do we not know that 6 is also equal to k minus 1 by this? So but from equation 3 we derive, what do we derive? We derive that 6 is equal to k to the power minus 1 by z. Okay, so let's call this as equation 1 by 4. Okay? So next, what do we do? Substituting the value of 6 in equation 4. Here we get what? K minus 1 by z will be equal to k 1 by x plus 1 by y. Once again we have the bases same, so in that case equating the powers, we get minus 1 by z equals to 1 by y. Alright? When this minus 1 by z goes the other side, we'll have a 0 here. 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. Correct? So this is what we needed to prove, and we have been able to prove it. Okay, proved. So guys, this is the way you are going to deal with this problem, and I hope you people have understood. Just in case you have any doubts, do tell me.